is. Okay. Rock.
Hey Dave, try not to do the two-step on the edge.
I think you got enough rope.
Okay, I hope so.
You got enough rope? Yeah. Maybe put an extra 10 feet.
Okay.
So, do you have a rope in your bag?
Yes.
So yeah, wait till the couple behind you, and then just go ahead to the next one. Set that
Oops.
up.
Okay.
Be aware too, if you kick that ice, a sheet of it might just break off underneath you or above you. So it's probably cold enough where it won't yet.
Okay, I'm gonna go friction setting 1, I guess, or 0. 0 should be good, huh?
Yeah, I mean it's vertical.
Okay, I'll do 1. Okay. Here I go. Oh, it's ice. Forgot. So what do you do with the ice? Just sort of try to stay up.
Try not to hit your face against the rock.
Okay. Cool. Guess there's no way to avoid it. Would you stay to the canyon right here or go on the ice? Okay. Okay, it's not too bad yet. Cool. Crazy, man. Yeah, it's good. Wow, how beautiful. Yeah, good. Huh? Not really. Not when you get past about where the rope is. I would just, yeah, you can stay to the, stay to my left as much as possible. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Okay, off rope.